Hello and welcome to 31 days of Halloween. Grab your supplies.
Take your balls of black clay and flatten both sides. These will be our cauldrons. Take a small amount of green clay and flatten it between your fingers, and then place this on one side of the cauldron. This will be the base for our bubbly brew. Roll out a piece of black clay until it is long and snake-like, and then wrap it around the top part of the cauldron. Since this will be the rim of the cauldron, make sure none of the green shows through. Now pinch off small amounts of green clay and roll them into balls. Make different size balls. We will use these for the bubbles at the top of the cauldron. And let's go! Pre-poke your holes for your eye hooks, and then place them in. Roll your 3 balls of brown clay out into 3 long snake-like shapes. And then twist and mix them together. We're going to use these for the logs underneath the cauldron. Just keep rolling and twisting until you have the striations in the wood grains that you want. I think this looks just about right. Roll it out so it's a little bit thinner. And then slice off 4 pieces for the wood. There'll be 2 under each cauldron. Now we'll make the handles for the cauldron. Roll out 4 tiny pieces of the black clay and then curve them up. And place them on the sides of the cauldron. Now bake them. Let's add the flames to the sides now. Use a little bacon bond on the cauldron where you will be placing the fire. Bake once more. Glue in your eye hooks and resin. Now assemble your earrings.
Aren't these just adorable?
And you're done. I loved making these, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. Bye!